Hi guys, I'm Megha and welcome back to my channel Perkymegs, which is all about fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and you can see new videos every Monday and Friday. So guys, today's video is about a fun experimental video. I'm trying out a Saree Shapewear for the first time. Yes, it is all over the internet. All the models are wearing these days Saree Shapewears along with sarees, under sarees, and I was really skeptical about trying it for some time. I had a lot of confusions. The first one being that usually in the conventional petticoat we do have a nada to hold the saree, but in this there is just an elastic. So I was like whether it will hold the saree really well or whether at the party the saree will come out and I will be like totally embarrassed. So I was like thinking all those points, and also I was thinking whether I have to wear a petticoat over it or not. But I can see in the videos, a lot of YouTube videos or online, that models are wearing sarees directly over the Saree Shapewear. So they are like using it as a replacement of saree petticoat. So that was my point to try today. So let's see today whether the Saree Shapewear is a replacement of our conventional saree petticoat or not. Let's do this experiment. Let's jump right into this video.
So guys, I have tried on the shapewear and this is how it looks. It has a cut at the side so that you can walk properly, and from the other side it is really body hugging. At the waist it is really tight, so I feel it will be able to hold the saree, but let's see. So I am seeing that I can walk properly in this because of the cut. Now let's start draping the saree. So I am just inserting the saree into this shapewear, and I think it is quite tight, just like we tighten the nada of a traditional petticoat. So it is holding the saree really well, but let's see how it goes. So yeah, the saree is not coming out. It is quite tight at the waist, the shapewear. And now let's start making the pleats, and yeah, me and my husband are cracking jokes. So I will just start making the pleats now, and yeah, I'm really quick at draping saree now because I have draped it quite a lot of times, so I'm kind of habitual of it now. So I think it is holding the saree really well. I'm not sure about the fact that it gives kind of a special shape to the saree, but yeah, it is holding it really nicely. And I can see that I can walk in it really properly because of the cut at the side. So I think I really like the product. What do you think? How is it looking? Is it giving some special kind of a shape? Let me know.
So guys, this was all about this interesting video, this interesting experiment. I hope you all liked it. So as per my experience, this Saree Shapewear came out really well. I really liked it. It held my saree really well. I walked in it, I like sat in it. I saw that whether the saree is coming out or not, but right now it really holds the saree really well. It has a nice cut at the side, so you can walk really easily. But a major point still right now is that right now it's new. This shapewear is new and it is holding the saree really well. But with the time, because it's elastic, so whether it will hold it really well that time also, sometime later, because elastic wears out with time, it becomes loose. So that is my only doubt with this, but otherwise I think it is a really good replacement of the conventional saree petticoat. So let me know in the comment section below whether you have tried a Saree Shapewear, and if yes, then how was your experience? The shapewears are available easily these days everywhere, offline, online. So that's why I got it, and I finally tried it today and shared my experience with you guys. So guys, this was all about today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share my videos with your friends and family, and let's grow our Perkymegs family, and subscribe to my channel Perkymegs for all such fashion updates. Also, I have a Hindi channel where I upload Hindi videos, so if you are interested in seeing Hindi videos, then move over to my Hindi channel called Perkymegs Hindi. The link is given in the description box below. Also, for all such updates, for all such experiments, I post daily updates on Instagram stories. So do follow me on Instagram for more such fashion updates. My Instagram handle is Perkymegs, and I will definitely keep you updated on Instagram that after some time how this shapewear is, or whether it has become loose. I will definitely update you as I do on Instagram daily. So meet you next on another interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.